I'm Nick Fowler. I'm going to be your instructor for Business 204, Principles of Management. Today, I would like to just give you kind of a warm welcome to the class. I appreciate you being here. Looking forward to a really good semester with each and every one of you. I record this video to try to make things a little more personable, especially for the first week. It's always nice to see a face with the name of your instructor and your classmates. That being said, I would encourage you to go to your profile settings, which is on the right side in Jewel, and all the way at the bottom where the navigation is, on the right side at the bottom it says profile settings. You can go in there and add a picture. So if you haven't already done so, I encourage you to please go add a picture into Jewel of yourself. You can take it from Facebook or wherever else you want to. But it makes our class have a little bit more of a personal feel. So I really try hard to make our online class and the online setting um, similar to a classroom experience. So I encourage you to do that at your earliest convenience. Again, I'm Nick Fowler. Just to tell you a little bit about myself, I grew up in a family full of entrepreneurs. My stepfather owned 3 restaurants growing up. My grandfather owns a commercial construction company. My grandmother owned a chain of corporate hair salons, and I actually have then went on to start my own business, which is a concession company. So I do that and also teach, obviously. I love the business world. I was a high school teacher for 5 years before moving on to the college world. So teaching is a passion of mine. Business is a passion of mine, and it's really cool that I've been able to kind of roll all that into one. And now I'm teaching business here at Midstays, so I'm very happy to be here. I went to Bradley University, received my undergrad, U of I for my graduate degree, which is Master's in Business Administration. Um, as far as our class goes, this week, what I need you to do is sign up for your Fortune 500 company. This may not make a lot of sense right now, but what that is you're going to be doing a project throughout the semester that is researching a Fortune 500 company of your choice and putting together a paper and a presentation. This will not be due until week 10, so we have quite a few weeks here, and we'll actually work on it in small kind of baby steps, so you're not going to be, you know, just thrown a 7-page paper requirement and have to do it or anything like that. Like I said, I really try hard to make sure that I break it down into pieces so that it's not overwhelming, but you will be required to research a Fortune 500 company. It'll be a lot less laborious if you make it a company that you're interested in already. Like they say, if you do a job that you love, you never have to work a day in your life. I'm not saying that you're going to love any of these companies or love the project, but I think it'll definitely make it more enjoyable if you're able to choose a company that you already have some interest in and maybe even some familiarity with. So get on Google and look up the Forbes Fortune 500 list, and any company that is on that list you are free to use. You will see in Jewel at the top of our course, I have a section there that says Fortune 500 company sign up. It's a discussion board. Simply, once you choose your company, go into the discussion board and sign up for your company by starting a new thread with the name of your company. It is first come, first served. So take a look in there at the people who have posted before you and make sure that they haven't already stolen your company. If they have, then you're going to need to go back and find another company. But go ahead and sign up for that as soon as you possible so that you can get the company that you would like. That being said, that is one of our assignments for the first week. You're also going to be reading Chapter 1, which is entitled What is Management? This is a good introduction to the roles and the tasks and the many hats that managers are required to wear. Oftentimes people think of management in terms of just kind of standing around making somebody do work. And in fact, what we're going to learn throughout the class is that the scope of management is so much broader than that. That is an element of supervision, but a very small one. So, with regards to what is management, I think that Chapter 1 is very eye opening for students who are coming in with a very small, kind of limited knowledge of what actually managers do. So I'm going to look forward to working with all of you, and I'm here if you need me. My office is in room 301, which is the Arlene H. Bunch Business Building, the small one-story building on campus. You can also reach me with the information I provide in the syllabus. So please take a look at the syllabus, and you can find out how to reach me at any time. You'll find out I'm up late. Most nights, so feel free to shoot me an email, and you'll be surprised that I may write back in the middle of the night. Also, the worst thing you can do is not reach out for help. If you're lost, if you're confused, if you're behind, if you're overwhelmed, please give me a shout, and I will, I'm here to help. So, looking forward to working with you guys, and please let me know if you need anything. Thanks.